How to choose and install a rooftop cargo box on a Subaru Outback. Choosing and installing a rooftop cargo box on your Subaru Outback is a fantastic idea to enhance the storage capacity of your vehicle and make your road trips even more enjoyable. Don't worry, it's a relatively simple process, and we're here to guide you through it with a smile. First things first, when choosing a rooftop cargo box for your Subaru Outback, consider the size, weight capacity, and aerodynamics. Opt for a box that is compatible with the size of your vehicle and can securely hold your belongings. Look for a sleek and streamlined design to minimize wind resistance and improve your fuel efficiency. Next, it's time to install your rooftop cargo box. Start by preparing your Outback's roof by thoroughly cleaning and drying it. Ensure that the roof rack is properly installed and sturdy. Many cargo boxes come with their own mounting systems, so carefully read the instructions provided. Once the cargo box is ready, position it on the roof rack, making sure it aligns with the rack's crossbars. Double-check that the box is centered and evenly distributed. Most cargo boxes have a quick-release system or U-bolt mounting hardware to secure them to the rack. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to properly fasten the box, ensuring it is tightly attached. After securing the cargo box, inspect the mounting points one last time to make sure everything is secure and tight. Give the box a gentle shake to test its stability. Lastly, pay attention to any additional safety measures recommended by the manufacturer, such as using a lock to protect your belongings from theft. Congratulations! You've successfully chosen and installed a rooftop cargo box on your Subaru Outback. Now you can pack it up, hit the road, and embark on amazing adventures with the peace of mind that your extra gear and luggage are safely stored on the roof, allowing you to fully enjoy your journey. Happy travels!